Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes. In our previous video, we have seen how we can use break statement to break a particular loop, that may be for loop or while loop, if a certain condition is satisfied. Now in this particular video, we are going to discuss how we can use continue to skip certain iteration in a loop. Okay, so I am going to discuss the continue with one example. Suppose we are having a problem and the problem is we have to find all the numbers which are basically divisible by 7 in the range from 1 to 100. What we can do, how we can write the code. Suppose I am defining one empty list to store all the values which are divisible by 100. Then for I in range, 1 comma 100, okay, that is 1 to 100. Here there will be one gap. What we can write, if I mod 7 not equal to 0, that means if after dividing that particular I which is ranging from 1 to 100, any value, after dividing by 7, if we are getting remainder not equal to 0, that means that is not divisible by 7 because remainder is non-zero. So we no need to store that in the list. Okay, so what we can do, we can write continue. Okay, and what will happen, so again from here directly it will go to next I value. Suppose I is 1 mod 7 not equal to 0, condition is satisfied, then I will be directly taking value 2. It will not go downside. Okay, and here if it comes to down part, that means this particular condition is not satisfied. Okay, that is I mod 7 equal to 0 satisfied, then we can append that in our empty list which is defined as ES here. Okay, so append I. So as a result, after execution of the for loop, all the values which are basically divisible by 7 will be present in the ES. So here we can simply print ES. Let us run. See, we will be getting one list which is having these elements 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98, which are basically all the elements which are divisible by 7 in the range 1 to 100. So this is how we can use continue in Python, basically to skip certain iteration. So here we are skipping those iteration for which when I is divided by 7, we are getting some remainder, and when we are getting no remainder, we will directly append that in the list. Okay, so this is how we can use continue. This is again very important for solving different programming questions. Later I will show you some more examples. Okay, you just practice real-time problems taken from any online site like that, maybe Geeks for Geeks or Lead Code or HackerRank, HackerEarth, anything. Practice those, surely you will find certain position, certain part of your code where you have to apply this particular concept. So for the time being, this is all for this video. If you find this video helpful for you, please like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.